Morning. Just got done working for the day. Thought I'd make another video about the accounts for my company. And I have just been getting hammered by maintenance and repairs lately. The truck, I bought the four-wheeler for plowing over the winter time. I had to do a little bit of work for that to get stuff going with that. So that takes a little bit of money. Oil changes for the truck. I need tires on the rear axle of my trailer. Need new tires for my 48-inch. Both of my machines are coming up on hydro oil changes. They're also coming up on regular oil changes. I was driving down the road yesterday and my headlight, the whole lens that covers the headlight, just flew off. So I had to order new headlights for the truck. And I'm really glad that I keep money to the side for maintenance and repairs. It's kind of like an emergency fund for the company. So I got two accounts. I have an operating account and a tax account. So as soon as any money comes into that operating account, I take 25% and I transfer it into a tax account. It's out of sight, out of mind. And then, the rest of that account is for my salary check that I pay myself, getting gas, just anything. It's the main account that everything goes in and out of. And I never wipe out that account. So whenever I pay myself, I never just take it down to zero and start over. I always have $1,000 readily available immediately for that account, in that account. I call it the floor or the emergency fund or the operating portion of that account. And as soon as I use some of it for maintenance or repairs or something, the very next opportunity I get, I refill it. And it's really come in handy because of all of these different things. I had the sway bar links, the tie rod ends, ball joints all on the truck. Like I said, I'm going to need new tires. That's going to come out of there. All of that stuff takes money. And if I were to wipe out that account, then I would have no money left over to do those repairs. And so that's a really key thing in your company, is make sure that you have a portion, whatever amount you designate, make sure that that amount is readily available at all times in your operating account. That way, if something small goes on at a customer's house that you don't want to involve insurance with, you can just take care of it. If you need a tire to get replaced, you have money readily available right then and there. You can go get that tire replaced. And it's been saving my butt because I've been getting whooped by these maintenance and repairs that need to be done. So keep that in mind when you are setting up your accounts. Don't mix your taxes into your operating account. Keep them completely separate. That way they're just out of sight, out of mind, and you won't end up forgetting how much of it is your tax amount. Just keep that emergency fund there. That way you don't have that downtime. I save a lot of money by doing all of my own maintenance and repairs. I don't go to shops for any of that. I do it all myself. So I save a lot of money doing that. But I still have to order parts and get all those done. Just make sure that you have an emergency fund for your business. Mine, like I said, is only $1,000, and that's been plenty so far to get everything taken care of that I need. I haven't run across an expense yet. There was an emergency thing that was more than $1,000. And then, so say I pull out $200 for tires on a mower, the very next opportunity I get, I'm going to take that $200. I'm going to put it back into the emergency fund. That way it is completely refilled and ready to go at all times. So keep that in mind. I'm going to get back to work. Y'all be good.